Meaning of giveback.
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 Giveback. Giveback can refer to the act of returning or giving back something that has been received, often in the context of charitable giving or community service. It can also indicate a desire or commitment to contribute positively to a community or society beyond individual gain. In essence, it is an expression of gratitude and recognition of one's responsibility to help others and make a difference in the world. By engaging in giveback activities, individuals and organizations can create a sense of social responsibility, foster goodwill, and build stronger communities based on shared values of compassion and empathy.